In this video, we are showing you an intermediate Bachata Sensual combination that we taught last month at a workshop. And make sure to stay until the end because we're going to show it with music. We're going to explain it step by step, give you a lot of tips, and at the end, we will also give you the counting. So, let's go!
I've been trying to call, I've been on my own for long enough. Maybe you can show me how to love. Maybe I'm going through withdrawals. You don't even have to do too much. You can turn me on with just a touch, baby. Since it is cold and empty, no one's around to judge me. I can see clearly when you're gone. Oh, and I said,
Let's start, guys. So the first part, it's a combination of the arm breaker and the half-turn woman. So this means that we are here, and first we're gonna do an arm breaker to show you what the arm breaker is. 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's also a half-turn woman. So we go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we combine both of them, we start with the preparation in 3 of 4 for the arm breaker in 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's show it slowly. We start the arm breaker in 5, 6, and now this hand, we bring it to the shoulder of the lady and we stop her turn and say, let's go into the half turn in 7, 8. In order to do this correctly, guys, we need to lead doing a step, tap, step, tap. So we are here in basic, 2, 3, 4, and now we go step, tap, step, tap. This way, with our body, we can shift the weight of the lady and bring her to the other side instead of using force.
Yes. For the follower, it's very important that you keep doing your usual steps, so you still have your basic steps, but you change the direction of them.
So let's continue. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in 8, with our tap, we start the preparation of the arm throw by bringing this hand a little bit up. We throw it in 1, 2, 3, 4. And once we're here, we start playing with the arms a little bit while we do our basic. But first, we show it without the basic in 5. So the left arm of the leaders go up and back. 5 to the same shoulder. Then 6 to the same shoulder. And both arms together in 7, 8. So let's do it with the basic. We are here in 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.
So when we are in this position, we need to be careful that when the leader wants to prepare the arm, that we keep the arm close to our body and not have it here, because like this, you will block the arm a lot. If you just have it on your body, he can actually bring it a little bit up and then he can throw. When the arm throw happens, you really have to make a nice and whole circle until your shoulder.
Yes, followers. So don't stop a circle when they do an arm throw like here, or a little bit more maybe, but still not complete. Make sure to do the whole circle the way up and then bring it back down. If you're liking the video so far and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do it now. Do it now because you're gonna forget later. And also, thank you so much for everybody that has bought us a coffee, given us a super thanks, or has become a Patreon. And if you wanna become a patron or support the channel, make sure to check the link down below. But now, let's continue with the video. So guys, we arrived here on 8, and then on 1 we need to throw the arm. So first we need to do a small preparation in and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And while the lady is doing her nice arms in a circle, we can close the shadow position. So we are here and we just come into the position by bringing this hand to the right side of her abdomen. So we don't have it like this, we don't have it here, we don't have it up, we don't have it down. We have it here exactly in the right side and middle, okay? And this one as here as well, because we are respecting our dance position. And the last thing is that we are not here in the shadow position. This is wrong. And we're also not here. So our right side is being covered by her left side.
Yes, the follower just puts her hand on top of the leader's hand. We put our thumb on top so we have all the control we need.
Yes, so we are now in 4. We are tapping with the left. We go into the basic and we look for connection and prepare the body wave in 7. So we go in 5, 6, 7. So to prepare the body well while walking, we need to look for the connection here. And as well, we need to breathe in and start the body wave in 7. In 5, 6, 7. And then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are doing 2 body waves walking backwards. The first body wave is a little bit bigger, so we have more time to do it in 7, 8, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. So the 3, 4 is a small body wave, but we still do it. We still use the upper body and our hips as well. And we have 2 different options here. We can either stay up or end up sitting.
The follower really have to try to connect with the leader when he makes the connection on your back. Keep the connection because you will not know how many body waves he wants to do actually.
So we are here in 4 and we go in 5, and then in 6 we bring the follower a little bit back with this one and we do our step forward. So we go 6. We have our weight here. We made a door or a window with this arm to come through. We do the step in 7. We turn to look at the follower and do our tap in 8. And we continue dancing. So now with counting in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now for the leaders in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like and let us know down below which move was your favorite. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we are posting new videos, new tutorials, new tips all the time. So, make sure to watch these other videos, subscribe, and see you there.